Hi everyone, it's Rene with WhyAmIGreen.com, and today I'd like to give you a quick update of what I'm doing in my garden and also to show you the progress of my single seed challenge. So hang around. Okay, here we are in my bright little room with all the windows. Look at that, all these windows. Great for early gardening. It is only February 16, so it's still really early up here in Maine to be growing anything. But I guess I got bored, I got anxious, so I decided to grow a bunch of peppers. And this is everything. This is my early group here. I have Reapers and Moruga chocolate and Butla, and I don't know why about half of them haven't sprouted yet, but they're starting to come up. Purple boots and all kinds of stuff. Boot jalokia, or otherwise known as ghost peppers. But what I wanted to show you is I decided I wanted to start growing some early tomatoes. And I became part of a tomato challenge because of my friend at Southern Gumbo. And I want to show you what it is. It's a single seed challenge. Da, da, da. And here is my single seed that I planted. Yes, he's coming up. Look at that, how great he looks. This is a Moscow tomato. I'm going to show you the other side. We'll flip them around. If I had a lazy Susan, it would be easier. Look how beautiful that thing is. So it's been about maybe a week and a half, and he's doing really well. So the whole idea of this was to take a single seed and grow it from seed all the way up to fruiting and then some. And I chose the Moscow tomato because I'm up here in Maine and these things will thrive in 40-degree weather. So I could put it out a lot earlier than my other vegetables, and I could leave them there a lot later. And you know, I didn't want to ruin the rest of the seed, so I planted him in this big bowl for the challenge, but I planted all his brothers and sisters too. And there's all the rest of them. And they seem to be a nice tomato. They're not as big as the big boy, but they're very hardy. So I think what I'm going to do is, once I plant all my big boys that I'm going to have, I usually plant like 100 or so, 150. These will be pretty big, and I usually have a big yard sale right around the end of April where I sell all my flowers and a lot of extra stuff I've accumulated throughout the winter that I have around the house. So I will probably sell those. The Moscow tomato. And if any of you are doing a single seed challenge, let me know. I'd love to see how yours is doing. That's all I have for you, so go ahead and grow your seeds. Let me know how your gardens are doing, even if it's as early as mine is. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.